I messed up. Yeah, as I was editing this video, I realized that I recorded everything vertically, as you're gonna see, and it's really bothering me, and I can't figure out how to fix it. So the first video is gonna be kind of janky, but I'll see if I can fix it for the next one. Ugh. What is up, everyone? Today I am bringing the Mustang back to life. It was never really dead, but I put it away for winter, and it's been snowing here in Chicago. But I think I'm impatient enough, and it's not going to snow anymore, that I am going to put the battery back in, and I'm going to do a couple things to it. I think I'm going to be putting in the GT350 red button, and then also I will be installing the Raceseng shift knob. Might not be today, but it will be in this video for sure. But first, I gotta put the battery back in and get it started. I brought the battery inside while it's been sitting outside. Unfortunately, I don't have a garage just yet, so let's get to it. There she is. Alright, I just gotta take this bungee cord off. Let's see. No, let me put the phone down. Alright, got the bungee cord off. Let's get it off this thing. Hopefully, don't need that no more. Ooh, a little dirty. A little bit dirty. Let's get this whole cover off and we'll resume in a minute. Alright, everyone. Got the battery back in and I believe we have power. See if we can get a cold start going. A cold start. Right now, since it's been had no power for the last couple months, I'm sure it's relearning its idle, but it's not actually not sounding too bad. All right, everyone, we're back and we're gonna do the shift knob. I actually did not get a chance to do. Well, I did get a chance to do the button, but the tool I was using wasn't so good, and I noticed I started to damage the interior right over here, and so I decided I'm just gonna wait until I get the right tool, try to pop it off at that point. I was using like a small little metal screwdriver and it started to destroy the interior, and I don't want that. It'd be pointless at that point. So let's get started. First, let me show you what we got here. Yeah, buddy. Super nice packaging. Right here we got the reverse lockout, looking sick. Let's see. And let's get the shift knob. Oh, this bad boy is heavy. Again, super nice packaging. Looks like, what is it? So there's the adapter. Sorry, no, let me show you this bad boy. Oh, it's heavy. 800 something grams, I think that's what it is. Look at this. Clean. Can't wait to feel this. See how it looks. Alright. Alright, let's see. On there pretty tight. There we go. Bye-bye, old and busted. It's actually interesting. This is heavier than I thought it would be. Huh. Alright. Let's see if I can get this trim popped out. I hate popping interior trim. I got my fingers underneath, but there we go. There we go. Come on. Alright, a little bit more. Don't break on me. There we go. Alright. Now I gotta pop these little tabs out. I think there's 3. Yeah, 3. Oh shit. Alright, well I got it. I don't think I broke it. Alright. Hope that wasn't blurry, but I got it. See, these little tabs right here were the ones that I had to pull back. Interesting. Alright, next step. Alright, well, I got the OEM reverse lockout out. It's kind of a pain. I had to basically break the glue and like rip it out. Looks like it's almost junk now. I'm just gonna set that aside and gonna get the Raceseng one. I'm doing this in small steps so you don't really get to see it all. It's just hard to record and use 2 hands at the same time. We'll see how I can get this one on, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I got it in. I just gotta pop this trim back in, and then we can start putting on the shift knob. It's working just fine, so I'm just gonna set the trim back in. Let's see. Nothing showing there. Oh, dusty. Gotta clean you out. Alright, trim's back in. Close this down. Looking mighty good. Alright, let's see. Got that there. Nice and tight now. Oh boy, I'm excited. So I never had a weighted shift knob before, but not only is it weighted, the quality is just phenomenal. Oh, that is ton taller than I thought it was gonna be. Looks like it goes in reverse just fine. All right, and there it is. It's looking tall though. I was not expecting it to be that tall. Looks clean though. Looks really, really clean. Take some pictures. All right, let's go for our drive. All right, wow, man. It's definitely really, really, really tall. I'll say that for sure. But boy, the weight just drops the shifter right into gear like no problem. I don't know, for some reason with these cars, at least with my car, but I've heard other people have the same problem. Third gear tends to lock out. I'm wondering if this weight will help me shift better in third gear. I don't know, we'll see, but man, it feels good. Maybe it's time for a short throw, you know, to lower the height, but as of right now, man, I'm digging it. Too much traffic over here to do some pulls. Plus, I haven't even done the oil changes or anything yet. So, we'll see. I'm going to get some more videos coming soon. Not the best view, but... two-finger shift. The phone fell back. I don't know if you can see anything now, so we'll see. If this video looks good, I'll put it in there. Wow. It falls into gear, no problem. That's something I really like. The weight, it feels really good in the hand. It's great quality. I can shift with one finger, no problem. Man, I'm wondering if a short throw would just make it feel a little bit better because it is a little too tall for my liking, but I mean, I'm definitely going to rock with this. And they have a ton of other great shift knobs, so I'm definitely going to see what else they got out there. You know, who says I can't keep swapping shift knobs, right? Plus, you know, the notchback is going to need a shift knob too. I think for the notchback, since it's a drift car, I want something a little bit taller, so who knows, maybe this one will work good for that car. Something a little bit taller, you know, bang some gears on that one. So this is my first video, you know, I filmed it over a couple days, just having some fun, you know, just seeing how it goes. Wanted to mess around with a little bit of computer editing and whatnot. I'm actually using iMovie. Hopefully, if I continue with this, the next video is better, and just have some fun, you know. So I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.